Hello scholars, how are you all? This is Mr. CL Gautam on YouTube, English Confluence. Scholars, today I am about to share David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. This story relates the story of a young boy's growth and development into maturity. So scholars के बाद हम आपको एक एक करके क्वेश्चंस बताते हैं डिटेल में. David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. Character list. Number 1, David Copperfield. Second, Clara Peggotty, Mr. Murdstone, Miss Betsy Trotwood, Dora, Agnes, Dr. Strong versus Mr. Crackle, Uriah Heep. These are very, very important characters. So, first, David Copperfield. David Copperfield is the protagonist and hero of the novel David Copperfield, written by an eminent novelist Charles Dickens. The novel is named after him. The whole story revolves around him. Charles Dickens himself, a David Copperfield. He was born after the death of his father. He was brought up by the house nurse Peggotty. Aunt Betsy is other relatives. She never visited David after his birth. He was very loving and sensitive child. His suffering starts when his mother married with Murdstone, who was very cruel and unkind husband. He was a dark man with big mustache. David did not like his stepfather because his father used to beat and ill-treat him without any reason. His entire life is full of sorrows and suffering. He is very hard-working child. He is honest, kind, obedient, intelligent boy. He loves Agnes from the very beginning. One day, Murdstone caned David for no reason. In return, David bites him to release himself. He was punished for 5 days. He was kept into single locked room. Nobody was allowed to see him, not even his own mother. It was Peggotty, his maid servant, who used to go up and console him. She talks him through wall keyhole. She kissed keyhole in order to kiss David. She loves David more than his mother. David was sent to day boarding school. She secretly filled his pockets with biscuits and money. She is the best example of sacrifice. Miss Betsy made a plan to send him school. David loves Dora and he married with her. After some time, she died due to a serious illness. Agnes loves him as well. He proposes her and she accepts his love and they marry quickly and take residence in London. Agnes bears David's at least 5 children. Second character, Clara Peggotty. Clara Peggotty is the best example of sacrifice and loyalty. Sacrifice, balidan, loyalty, वफादारी. She is an ideal lady, आदर्श lady है. She is very loyal and trustworthy to David and his family. She is very responsible lady. Peggotty loves David as his true sister. She puts her life in trouble because of David. She is ready to sacrifice her life for David and his family. When she is dismissed by Murdstone, only then she married with Barkis. She married after getting David's permission. She is well-wisher of David. First, she plays the role of David's sister. After death of David's mother, she plays the role of David's mother. She is very kind to David and David's friend also. He welcomed Steerforth at her house. Later, Steerforth cheated and eloped with her niece Emily. She is good wife of Barkis. Barkis praises her for her kind nature. She is very loving and sweetest character of the novel. She is very practical and well informed lady. At last, she becomes nurse of David's children. One day, Mudstone caned David for no reason. In return, David bites him and to release himself. He was punished for 5 days. He was kept into single locked room. Nobody was allowed to see, not even his own mother. It was Pegoti, his maid servant, who used to go up and console him. She talks him through wall keyhole. She kissed keyhole in order to kiss David. She loves Davis more than his mother. David was sent to day boarding school. She secretly filled his pocket with biscuits and money. She is best example of sacrifice. At last we can say that Pigoti is very loyal, honest, obedient and responsible lady of David and David's family. Third, character sketch of Mr. Murdstone. Murdstone is the stepfather of David in the novel of David Copperfield. He is a dark man with big mustache. बड़ी बड़ी मूछें हैं उनकी, सांवले हैं. He married David's mother very soon after his father's death. David did not like him since beginning. David उनको पसंद नहीं करता था शुरू से ही. He is very cruel, uncaring father. निर्दयी और लापरवाह. One day, Mudstone caned David for no reason. In return, David bites him to release himself. He was punished for 5 days. He was kept into single locked room. Nobody was allowed to see him, not even his own mother. It was Pigoti, his maid servant, who used to go up and console him. She talks him through wall keyhole. She kissed keyhole in order to kiss David. Mudstone and Miss Mudstone have destroyed the life of David and his family.